So I'm going to show you a quick little video. Yongnuo YN-622N TX flash controller, as well as transceivers on a camera that is not a Nikon. I had a question in one of my videos if it works or not. And it does work. There are some quirks to it, of course. First, the camera is in program mode. On Group B, I have SP800. Let's just make sure that it's out of standby. And it's in TTL mode. We try to take a picture. It goes off, but it goes off at full power. So that's kind of a problem. What we can do is switch the flash itself to manual power. So I have it on the lowest power setting. Let's try it again. Get better focus. So it goes off at lowest power, which is fine, but you still have some issues because the camera's in program mode. It doesn't adjust for the flash. So you just switch the camera itself to manual. And then you just keep in mind that this is not in TTL, so you need to use a shutter speed that will work with the flash. Let's first use a faster shutter speed than it's capable of doing in sync. You can see it's in manual mode with this Canon EOS-M. It actually reflects on the screen what the exposure will look like, which is kind of a problem in some cases. But so we take a picture. It's so dark. Let's increase the power on the flash to 1 of 1. Anyways, you can see that sync speed. Pop that back up again. That's the actual shutter showing up in the photo. So you need to run at the correct sync speed or lower. And in this case it's 1/200th of a second. Let's see if I got it here. Close enough, right? And you can also adjust your ISO and everything. Let's turn the flash power back down so it's at its lowest setting. Take a picture. A little better, right? So what we can do, of course, is adjust our settings to deal with that additional light. There we go. We have a pretty decent photo. You can keep adjusting things, maybe lowering the ISO. But it does work. If you have different systems and you're using these units specific to Nikon, you will potentially be able to trigger flash and manual mode. I should also mention that with the SP400, I have not been able to get that to function. It's a full TTL flash, so it's not really surprising that it doesn't work when you're using a different camera manufacturer. So I have it set to TTL, flash is on. I'm going to try to fire. Doesn't happen. You can see that let's do it one more time. You can see that the light went off, but it's not signaling the flash to go. So let's try switching it to manual. See if that does anything. Nope. So anyways, SP400 and similar flash will likely not work when you're using a separate or a different manufacturer, not Nikon, for these units to at least do manual power and all that. But like I showed you with the SP800, it did work in some situations. Thanks.